Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting where it matters: permissions and connectivity. First, open Settings and confirm FaceTime is enabled so the feature can capture photos. Then make sure photos access for FaceTime is allowed. Without that, the app can't save live photos. Also verify camera and microphone permissions so captures aren't blocked. Once done, reconnect to Wi-Fi or cellular and restart FaceTime. This resets temporary glitches. These steps fix most permission-related failures before deeper troubleshooting. Now you'll dig into device state and app settings. Turn off low power mode and do not disturb because they can stop live photo captures. You need full runtime and notifications active. During a call, tap the FaceTime controls and enable live photos if the option appears. This allows snapshots. Make sure your iOS is up to date. Apple patches camera and FaceTime bugs regularly. If permissions and settings are correct but photos still fail, proceed to a restart and account checks next. Finish by restarting your device to clear transient glitches. This often resolves capture failures. If the problem persists, sign out of FaceTime and sign back in to refresh your account state, then test taking a live photo with a different contact and, if possible, another device to isolate the issue. If photos still don't save, reset network settings or check iCloud photo storage. One key tip: if nothing works, record exact steps and contact Apple support. They can trace device logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.